Guys, we are all done with the BMW Z4. This thing, I'm not kidding, we do a lot of stereos, that's a given, 5 shops. But this thing has absolutely transformed the vehicle. It really has. I'm going to start off by just showing you this, which of course was not there previously. This is the iDRIVE system, now looking absolutely factory. And check this beast out. This thing, it's kind of special. It really is. Don't worry, we'll get some nice clear photographs for you. But honestly, I mean, powerhouse worth of infotainment and connectivity now going on for this customer. So control everything from the drive, takes you through to the main menu. Let's see if we can get it without the reflections. The screen's just absolutely beautiful. Media options, just a really, really nice piece of kit. Just check out the clarity that you get on here, crystal clear. And also it's a touchscreen, so touch home, navigation, settings. I mean, there's just so many things that you can do with this. Honestly, it requires a complete video all on its own. But what a lovely piece of kit. Really, really is. I mean, check this thing out. It's just, let's kill the volume so we don't infringe any copyright. Bit of a Dell there. Apps, Google Maps, live traffic data, everything. It's just such a nice piece of kit. Dory, we'll do a little, we're gonna up our game. We've got a social media graphic designer coming in full time now, just to showcase our work. Really, it's gone to that level. So we love the screen on this car. It really, it's one of my favorite. It really is. This double dash, and you can see when I give it some gas, how it just responsive. Wow, this thing is bad. I can't wait to see the owner's face. And we're heading there now. So 𝗦𝗘𝗥𝗢𝗘𝗥𝗢 from Audio Direct. Absolutely chuffed. Absolutely chuffed.